All right, so yes, we are having this bunch of vegetable, and you have to do one thing for brain activation. So we are going to do an activity which is going to activate our mind a little bit. So here on your screen, you can see there are a lot of vegetables, and you have to just see them and tell me what are the name of those vegetables which are in the picture. So look it and just recognize all the vegetables. Okay, I will ask questions. Okay, do it. I hope it is done.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yeah. So now, yes, tell me what you have seen.
I've seen cucumber, carrot, potato, and capsicum,
And and
then
and
onion,
Yeah, great.
and
You have seen almost all the vegetables. Great, great. So let's go on topic selection, where we are going to choose one topic which should be difficult for you, which should be problematic for you, and I will try to ease that for you. Okay. So check all these sections and tell me which one topic you would like to choose. Which one is problem for you?
I would choose ratio and proportion for
Great. So you
because
are choosing ratio and proportion. Tell me why you have chosen this topic. Yes.
I'm having difficulty understanding
What kind of difficulty?
pro proportion and solving problem of proportionality.
Okay. So proportion and proportion problems. Okay, let me explain. So first understand the ratio. Okay, what is ratio? First we should go on that. So actually, if you observe the ratio wherever, ratio is always look. Can you tell me a little bit what you know about ratio?
Ratio is a comparison between two similar quantities.
Yeah, you know it. You already know. It is comparison of two or more than two quantities. It can be like 5 upon 6 or 10 upon what? 10 upon 100. So this, if this kind of number is written, then you will say it is ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of two numbers, right?
Okay.
Now, let's say if you are having what? If you are having an what pizza is like this, okay? So if you are going to cut a slice, one slice is going to be eaten by you, another are going to be left. Now I'm numbering it. So first one you have just consumed, okay? You have eaten first one, and others are left. Now we have to write in the form of ratio. How we will write? Let's see here. So total number of slices are, tell me, what are the number?
Four, four,
Four.
four.
Great. So just write the total number of object available in denominator, and what you want to compare, write in numerator. So how many are available right now? Tell me. One, two, three. Is it three?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So write it here at numerator. So 3 by 4 is going to be the ratio that is showing that out of four pizza slices, you are having three. 3 by 4th of what? Pizza slices are left. Got it? And
Yes, yes, definitely.
yeah. So how many of pizza slices you have eaten? Tell me. One.
One by four.
Yeah, 1 by 4. Why it is 4? Because we are having total number of slices 4, right? Among 4 slices, you have eaten one. So that's why we will say that out of 4, there is one I have eaten. So 1/4 you have eaten. 1/4 of the pizza you have eaten. And 3 by 4th, yeah, 3 by 4th ratio is already left. Okay, got it?
Yes, definitely,
So if
definitely.
you want to tell with your brother, your sister, anyone, your mom, that what amount of pizza you have eaten, you can tell them, right? In the form of ratio. Okay. So now let's move on. Second one, it is proportion. So do you know proportion? No?
Yeah, I know proportion. Proportion when we compare two ratios, this
Yeah.
is known as proportion.
Yeah, actually, it is you are near uh, to understand it. So let's define our objective. What our objective? Our objective is to learn what to learn. What more detail about proportion, and third part is second part is what? Second part is its real life application, right? How we are going to use it, real life application. So as you have seen, ratios are like this. It can be like 5 by 10. It can be 10 by 6. So what should be the constraint is this denominator should not be equals to 0. If P by Q is a form, Q should not be equals to 0. Then you will say it is a ratio. Okay. All right. So yes, let's move on. Next topic. That is what? Proportion. See, proportion is what first we have to understand. After that, its type we are going to understand. Okay. All right. So let me delete it. Yeah. So direct proportion. So first understand proportion. What is proportion? Proportion is the statement that two relationship, if you are having two relationship, then it shows equality among them. Okay. So
Yes,
how they
okay.
are equal, how they are equal to each other, it is shown by whom? It is proportion. So if you have quantity A and there is quantity B, so they are related with each other. And if A is increasing, then also B is increasing, also B is changing, or A is increasing, B is decreasing. It means there is some relation between these quantities. Then you will say there is proportionality or proportion we are using. Got it?
Yes, yes,
So
definitely.
proportion is what? Proportion is the statement of what? Equality between two quantities. Okay. We compare them. How one is affecting another quantity. For example, if I say you are having what? Pen. Right. We are having pen. So if you have one pen and cost of pen, one pen is what? It is, let's say, $5. What? It is $5. And you are going to purchase. So what cost it is going to have? One pen at 5 rupees. And now what I'm saying is go and purchase five pen. Okay. Now what is going to be its cost?
25.
Great. So you have spent what? 25 rupees for 5. Now tell me, if you are having 10 pen, if you want to purchase 10 pen, now what is the cost? One pen of 5 rupees. So 10 pen.
So 10 pen is 50 rupees.
Yeah,
$50.
great. You answered it. Very nice. All right. So you can see if you are increasing the number of pen are increasing 1 to 5, 5 to 10. Similarly, there is cost also increasing 5 to 25, 25 to 50. Are you seeing this? If one quantity pen is increasing, then cost is also increasing. It means these are directly proportional, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So if
Both
one
are
quantity
increasing.
increasing, second quantity is also going to increase, then you will say it is directly proportional. If I'm considering this as X and this as Y, then here it is going to be X, right? And it is Y. So if number of pen is increasing, then cost should also increase. Check here. This is what number of pen at this point, and here what it is cost. So if you are increasing number of pen, it is going to be the cost, right? Okay. So that's why we are getting this linear equation, and y equals to kx, as well as the line is this is straight line. Okay. You got it? So if x is proportional to y, it means x equals to ky can be written, because if you are changing the proportionality sign into equality, then you have to use k as constant. Now just take ratio of both. So x1 by y1 equals to x2 by y2. You can write for two quantities. How? Let's say first case was what? First case was 1 pen and it was having 5 rupees. Now can you tell me what is the ratio of 5 with 1? 5 upon 1? Yeah. Now tell me
I
what
think
is the ratio of 25 with 5 in second case? 25 by 5.
it is also 5:1.
Again 5. You again got 5. Now next one, tell me 50 upon 10. What is the ratio?
8, again 5.
It is again 5. It means this is constant you are getting. The ratio of x and y is constant. It means for first situation it is 5. For second situation it is also 5. For third situation again 5. It means we can say all three ratios are going to be equal, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's what we have written here. Got it?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So we are going to move on next one, which is indirect proportion. So this was the direct. Direct means what? Changing directly. Now next one is indirect. Indirect means it is going to just reciprocate, or you can say reciprocal of first one. If one quantity A is increasing, so B should decrease. If it is happening, then you will say it is indirect proportion. Okay.
Yes,
All
yes.
right, yes. Can you tell me any kind of example? You are uh, related with what traveling? You like traveling. Your hobby is traveling. So try to think about this. If let's say if you are increasing the speed of what? If you are going from one point to another point, one location to another location to visit, right? And your train or your vehicle is increasing its speed, so you can say that our time taken to reach that another place is got reduced, right? Is reduced. So if it is
Yes.
reduced, then it means if you are increasing speed, then time taken going to be reduced. Are you getting it?
Yes, 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 definitely.
Yeah. So let's say I am having 10 meter per second, 10 meter per second as my speed. Okay. Or you can think about this in perspective of yourself. Let's say you are moving with 10 meter per second, right? So you are going to take what? 50 50 minute, sorry, 50 second, 50 second for 500 meter. I'm saying 500 meter is the distance, right? You are moving one point to another point. So 500 meter you have to cover. So 10 from the speed of 10 meter per second, you are going to cover it within 50 seconds, right?
Yes.
All right. So if I'm increasing it by 5 more, okay, let's say not 5, it's 10, let's say 10. So tell me what time it is going to take. Can you tell
It
me?
will take 25 seconds.
Great answer. So it is 25. You got it. So we are going to have 25. So again, I am saying it is going to become what? 50 meter per second. Now tell me what is going to be the time taken now. Just divide it. 50 meters multiply 50
10
meters
seconds,
second.
10 seconds.
Yeah. All
10.
right. So this is 10 seconds. So 10 second you got. So you can see the speed and time taken. These are opposite to each other. It means if you are increasing time, right? If you are increasing speed, your time is getting reduced, right? Means 10 meter per second, you are going to reach 50 second. If 20 meter per second, you are going to reach that second point within 25 seconds. If 50 meter per
Yeah,
second,
definitely.
10 seconds, right? You are going to reach quickly, right? So this is indirect proportion. One is increasing, another is going to decrease. That's why we are writing 1 upon B. Okay? Yeah. So if you are multiplying, if A proportional to B, sorry, A is what? A is proportional to 1 upon B. Why 1 upon B? Because it is indirectly, right? So we have to write 1 upon V. Now, if you are changing proportionality sign, what will happen? Tell me. Yes. If you are changing this proportionality sign into equality, what will happen?
Constant will come there.
Yes, there will be one constant. Now, B is going to multiply with A. So A into B is going to be constant, right? So this is what happening with this one. If you multiply this 50 with 10, what you will get? 500. If you multiply this
Yes,
25 with 25 with what? 25 with 20,
20.
it is going to be again 500. Again, you are multiplying with 10 to 50. Again, it is going to 500. It means multiplication of both the quantities, we are going to get constant. That's what it is written, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So what we can do, we can take ratio of them, okay, ratio of their value. So if x and y equals to constant, then x1 upon x2 is equals to y2 upon y2, sorry, y1 upon y2 can be also equal. Similarly, we can write as what? Z1 upon z2, three quantities, right? So why we are taking in same like x1 upon x2? Because they are multiplied, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I think you got it, na? How indirect proportion is working. So you can see in this graph, let's say this is x, this is x is what? X is speed, let's say speed, and it is what? Time taken. So if speed is increasing, you can see that this y is what? If speed increased, right? Then y is what?
Yes,
Decreased. It is down.
yes, yes.
Now again increase x, then again you can see y is decreasing. Again increase, then it's again decreasing. It means that one quantity increasing, then second quantity is going to decrease. Got it? There are other various examples we have, like wages. If you are doing some work, if you are what? One person is doing one work, then it is going to be some cost. If more than one person involved for doing that work, then individuals is going to get lower, right?
Yes, sir.
Because payment will be same. So
Yes,
let's go on another. So what I told you right now, this is the example in our daily life we see in finances. As I have told you that what if one single person is working and he is getting what? You can say 100 rupees. If 10% start working, then what amount they are going to get? One is going to get from this, it will be 10 rupees, right? So when one person was working, he was getting 100. And if 10% started working at that particular work, then one single person will get 10 rupees. Right? So it is decreasing and person are increasing. So it means indirect proportion. So finances also follow indirect proportion, direct proportion. Engineering also works on this basis. Engineering kind of manufacturing different parts of what equipments, like you have iron, you have freeze, you have what buildings. So manufacturing of these products also requires what? Direct proportion and indirect proportion. If we are manufacturing a lot of lot of product, it is going to take what? Lower price. If we are what producing only one, it is going to take higher price. So it is also indirect, right? Similarly, cooking, like if you are cooking more food, then you will require what? More amount of time. So cooking also involves this proportion. So are you seeing that in our day-to-day life, we are using this proportion, but you are not able to understand it, right? So that's what that's why you are not connecting with it. Now you have to connect. You have to see in your house uh, how many minutes you are going to use for cooking of something, and if you are increasing the amount, what amount of time it is going to take, right? Check it in your home, okay? And you can tell me again when we will meet. So this is what application of proportionality. I hope you got it, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
No, I don't.
Then let's solve it. You have this problem, solve this one. Let me clear this. So if what if the number of what number of articles increased purchased increases, the total cost also increases. Which kind of proportionality is this? Tell me. Yes.
Di- Direct proportionality.
Direct. That's great. If a article purchased increase and cost is also increasing, it means it is direct. Very good. Okay, so let's move on another one. Yeah. So this one is another. So tell me, as the spend of vehicle increases, the time it takes to cover the same distance decreases, right? Which kind of proportionality is this?
Is indirect
Yeah,
proportionality
you
because
got
one
it.
thing is increasing
Yeah, you
and
got it.
second
Great.
thing is
That's
decreasing.
great. You're understanding things. Very nice. So let's play some visuals. Okay. We have what a visual which you have to play. It is going to be fun for you. So let's open it. What you are seeing right now? Your screen
Nothing.
changed.
Yes, yes.
What you are seeing? Tell me which one you are going to choose. Explore or predict? Choose anyone. I'm not able to hear you. Please speak again.
Explore, explore, explore. I
Explore.
am
Oh,
choosing
all right.
explore.
Yeah. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Yeah, this is here. Uh, all right. So I am taking these what uh, balloons, right? And just increasing, and it is going to burst. Okay. And what if you are increasing what this yellow color, then this color is going to change. At this scale, you can check that in which side the color gradient is going on. Okay. So if you are increasing yellow, then you can see the color is also increasing, right? Number of yellow balloons are going to increase what? Yellowish nature, right? You Similarly, if you are increasing this uh, blue color, it is going to increase blue color. Are you saying this is proportionality, na? Let's say if you are decreasing this, though it is going to be towards blue. And here, if there is what 1, 2, 3, these are balloons. These are increasing. Okay. Now put some yellow color. It is going to decrease. One is decreasing. Another what going above. So it's about what amount of balloons you are using. Do you want to play this one?
Definitely, I can.
Yeah, I'm going to give you control and try to play.
Okay.
Are you able to control it?
No.
Now do it. Yes, try. Yeah, yeah. Great, great. Do it, do it. You're not able to do?
No.
No. All right. Hold on. I'm trying to give you control. If you're not able to do this, are you able to do?
I think yes. No, no. You are
No,
doing it.
no, no,
Okay,
no.
so yes,
No. Let me
you are adding
check.
apples.
Yeah. If you want to add apple, just click on that.
Yeah, I'm clicking.
Yeah, you are not able. Let me give you more control. Maybe it is. I think it is not possible. So let's continue. I am doing. Tell me what which one I should increase. This apple.
Yes, yes.
So I increased to till 10 rupees, right? Now cost is increasing. Okay. What I'm saying is 5 rupees is going to be cost of 1. Okay. So what cost it is going to have here, you can see it is increasing, right? You can reduce it. Similarly, here you are saying that 10 rupee is the total cost. Okay. And if you are decreasing it, it is going to be like this. Cost per apple you want to see 1.25, right? If you are increasing this, then cost per apple is going to decrease. Are you seeing this?
Yes, yes.
If total cost of the apples, let's say it is $20. So if you are decreasing it, okay, then it is going to be what? Increment in the price of per apple cost. Are you saying this? Right now, per apple cost is 20 rupees. You are increasing number of apples, its cost is getting decreased, right? You can see you are having 20 apples. At this time, $1 is going to be cost of what? One apple. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Similarly, tell me what I can increase here. Tell me total cost. What you want to take?
10 $10.
10. Okay, 10. It's done. Now tell me about how many apples you want to take?
I want to 10.
10. So if you are taking 10, see, this 10 is going to give you per apple cost $1. Now increase it, it is reduced. Again increase, it is reduced, right? If you are increasing the number of apples, then per apple cost will decrease. It means which type of proportionality? If you are
Direct.
increasing, what?
Indirect.
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 Very
Indirect.
nice. You got it. Good, good. So it was the game. You can play by yourself. Okay. I will allow you all the things in next class also. So let's move on another section. Okay. So let me see here. Yeah. So all right. I think you are able to see now my screen as PPT, right? So let's go on sandbox corner. What is sandbox? Sandbox is going to give you questions you have to solve. That is going to be fun for you. That you will be confident. Are you able to solve questions or not? Because it's necessary to answer by yourself to get clarification, to get clarity. So just what? Just try to solve. So you learned well, I think, right? Yes. So we have to go with algebraic and not algebraic. It was ratio. Yeah. So this is direct uh, proportion. So now answer these questions. Try to answer. What you have to do is just question is that are you following ratios proportional? Write yes or no. Is there proportional or not?
Yes, they are.
So I have to write here yes, right? Is it okay? All right. Now next one, tell me. 16 by 4 and 25 by 5. 25 ratio 5.
No, this is not a ratio.
This is not ratio. This is not proportional ratio, right?
No, this is not a proportion.
So right here, no. Next one, third.
Not a proportion.
No. All right. This one.
Yes, this is a ratio, proportional ratio.
Yeah. So right here. S. Let's submit this for. Try what? Yeah, you got 4 out of 4. You attempted 4 questions that all were right. That's great. You are doing well. Good, yes. So you have to do this by yourself, okay? In your homework. So I'm going to download it and I am going to present it to your parent. I'm going to appreciate it. You have learned well. Good. So let me share you again this slide. I think sandbox corner you have done. So let's come on math plus Vedic maths, right? So what is this? See, when you what attempt division by 11 of any number, so you usually simply do what using like this, like division method. You know that if you are having what if you are having any number 573 and you are dividing with what 11, so 11 panja sorry 5s are 55, you do this one, right? This is the way you divide. Now I have another technique to do this, which is called as Vedic math. So let's attempt this one. In usual daily routine, you do what? You do this kind of way, which is 5, 6, 9. If you are dividing, you have to divide 5s. This is and again 1. You will get this. So this is the way you do. It is conventional method. Now I have another one. Let's try this one. You will enjoy this one. Yeah. So this is next one. So what you have to do, just you can see as it is written. Yeah. Yeah. 5, 6, 9 is there, and you have to divide with what 11. Okay. So what you have to do is just write first one. Just write first one as it is. And now second number is going to be subtracted by 1. Okay, so it is going to subtract by 1, then write that in next one. Okay, so if you are subtracted with 5, 6 is subtracted by 5, you will get what 1. So write it next to 5. Again what you have got here. Okay, subtract from next number. 9 minus 1, what you will get? You will get 8. So just write 51 separate from 8. This 51 will be quotient and remainder will be 8. Got it? Let's try one example. Let's say I have said here 573. Okay, write it like this 573. What you have to do? Tell me. First write the first one number 5 as it is. Then what? Tell me. Then what you have to do?
Subtract
7 minus,
7.
7 minus 5. What
5.
it is going to be? So 2. Yeah, it is 2. Now again what? Just subtract 3 with what? 2.
That
That's 1.
2 from 3. Yes.
Yeah. So you got
2 will
this
be quotient
52.
and remainder will be 1.
Yeah, great. You got it. You can figure out whether is it right or not. Just divide it, you will get what? 223. Again, 2s are, and this is 22. You got 1. So it means 1 is remainder, 52 is its quotient. I hope you are
Yes,
clear now.
definitely.
Try to
Yes,
like
yes,
this,
yes.
okay? Try to do this division
Okay.
like this from now. It is faster method. It's just give you a very quick result, okay? And you will be star of the class, right? Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
So now let's try one another section where we are going to do a question which is on mental ability. So try this one. Read. Can you read this one? Well, this question. How many even numbers are there in the following sequence of numbers which are immediately followed by an odd number as well as immediately preceded by an even number? Got it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Try to figure out which one is right answer. What is the answer? Time up. I'm not able to hear you.
Saying 4.
Yeah, that's right. You got it. That's right. Great. So it's 4. Very good. So let's move on next one. Yeah, that's amazing job you have done. So we will go for the what? One wrap up session where we will just revise all. What you have learned today, tell me.